What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is a set of practices designed to improve the appearance and positioning of web pages in organic search results. In simple terms, SEO is the process of improving your site to increase your visibility when people search for any product or service related to your business in Google, Bing, and other search engines. According to a research, top 3 websites that appear in the search result gain 70% of the traffic. That's why SEO is a very important factor to grow your online business and attract more visitors to your website. Difference between SEO and paid advertising. The key difference between SEO and paid advertising is that SEO involves organic ranking, which means you don't pay to be in that space. 2. Make it a bit simpler. Search engine optimization means taking a piece of online content and optimizing it, so search engines like Google show it towards the top of the page when someone searches for something. How does SEO works? Search engines such as Google and Bing use bots to crawl pages on the web, going from site to site, collecting information about those pages and putting them in an index. Think of the index like a giant library, where a librarian can pull up a book or a web page to help you find exactly what you're looking for at the time. Next, algorithms analyze pages in the index, taking into account hundreds of ranking factors or signals, to determine the order pages should appear in the search results for a given query. In our library analogy, the librarian has read every single book in the library and can tell you exactly which one will have the answers to your questions. What are different SEO factors? There are over 200 factors that Google analyze before promoting a website at the top of the search result. But there are only 5 main important factors that you have to focus at the beginning. Number 1. High-quality content. So what are high-quality content? The content that have detailed knowledge about the topic or the keywords are known as high-quality content. According to a research by Backlinko, Google ranks longer content at the first page of their search engine. It is because longer articles or blog posts contains deep and detailed knowledge about the topic or the keywords that is searched for. That's why top SEO experts suggest you to write longer and detailed article and blog posts. You also have to use your target keywords into your content multiple times, so that it rank higher. There are several other factors that are super important for the ranking of your website. These factors are backlinks, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and your website speed. If you want to become an SEO expert, then you must have to learn about SEO and different SEO factors. You can get a complete SEO course from the first link which is given in the description of this video.